Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about data-driven testing in robot framework. How many ways we can able to use our data-driven framework means. So see the data-driven is nothing but we are storing some data into some external files and storing getting back that and we are going to executing that data-driven framework, right? Even we can able to use our data into test scripts also. Okay, in this three specification, we can able to do it for our data-driven testing using our robotic framework. Specifying the test data in a script and Excel, CSV. Any three of them we can able to do it. And in this video, we are going to discussing about script level. How we can able to achieve means in the resource folder. In case if you don't have resource folder, you need to create the resource folder. How we can means project, right click, new directory and enter for resource name. Okay, then again inside the resource file you can new file and login underscore resource dot robot file. Okay, in this file you have to create this many operations. What all the things we are going to do means in this particular web application we are going to do checking for invalid scenarios, username and password fields. Once it is entered, then we need to validate for some error message. Okay, how we can able to do it meant, and here I created some few couple of my user defined keywords, same name library and variable place username and browser, and keywords place first I open my browser, that is opening browser and maximizing and waiting for 2 seconds, closing all browsers and input username. It will take as a argument, that is username, and password pwt it will take. Then click button, it is basically it will take some expose it to clicking that element, and we are going to verifying some invalid credential values. If it is success means employee list positive. Okay, now again we are going to do for here settings, and first we need to do for library selenium library we need to import. Then we need to import for this resource folder. For that resource library, and we need to use for double dots dot forward slash, and you can able to use which directory you want to import the file resource folder. Then you can able to use resource and file name is login robot framework. Okay, this we done. Then we need to do for suite level, we need to open the browser one time because we need to open one time browser. Open my browser, so tear down, close my browsers. Okay, these are two operations I'm going to do for every time. Then I need to do for test case. In this test case I need to create for steps. Before that I need to create for keyword. Keyword is nothing but failed login is my keyword. Then I'm going to do for arguments, it will take for to name dollar username and space dollar pwd. Okay, password. These two argument it will take. First one is I need to do for input text for user. Okay, then again input text for password. Then again I need to click for login button. Then I need to verify error message. Okay, this is my scenario. Now how we can able to create for this scenario means I need to use this username and here and password. password field. Okay, my test case is nothing but first I need to give a valid user invalid pwd. Okay, that is username is valid means admin, invalid means admin only, because I need to verify this particular scenarios. This is my admin and this is my username. And don't worry about this error message, we'll see in the later. And I'm going to use for valid user and empty pwd. How we can able to provide empty means dollar curly brace, you can able to capital empty, then curly brace close, then it will take as an empty. Okay, then I'm going to here down invalid user valid pwd, and again here I'm going to do for small letter admin, and I'm going to use for admin 123, then empty user valid pwd dollar curly brace empty curly brace enable to use for admin 123. This is my cases. Okay, now how we can able to validate this failed one means we have another thing like test template. Test template, it will invite for multiple operations when you are doing for multiple operations, right? That moment this test template will work out. Test template is nothing but how many test cases we are executing. That moment we can able to refer this particular test template. Okay, now previous it is showing a error where now it is gone because of we imported for test template. It is error message is saying that test template is not presented, you are importing for the files, that's why we are going to show some error like that. It will say that once you import the test template and if you provide this one, and it will take the those things. Now our cases are 4 times, it should run 4 times, and should setup and tear downs means one time it will open, one time it is closed, and remaining operation it will do, and we need to verify some error message. Now you can see now demo 3. Now it is opening for browser. Now execute and it will see invalid credentials again. Invalid. All the cases are 4 invalid cases. It is done. Pass means it is checked properly. Even we can able to check some different format of exception. That moment also we can able to find out for those things. Okay. This is all about for test data using in script level, and we'll see in the later videos for Excel file and also CSV file. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. If you like this video, please let me know. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give some comments on this video. Thank you.